everyone, welcome to Listack Edu Software. Today I'm going to be taking you through the process of classes that are setting up your classes for your school portal. And under classes we have different categories like class category, class arm, class management, and class passing rule. So I'm just going to click on classes. So the first step you're going to go through is this class category management here. Before you set up anything concerning classes, you have to go through this class category management. Click on that. Class category management is basically categorizing the senior secondary school from the junior secondary school, and also categorizing it from the primary section, where we have from crèche to the basic. I know some schools make use of basic 7 to basic 9 as their JSS1 to JSS3, so I'm going to be using different terms for each classes depending on the one your school is associated with. Since the school I'm using for a demo video, I've already completed their registration on this portal, so I might not be submitting some information, so there is no misinformation or it's clashing and interrupting previously uploaded information. If I want to add class category, I'm going to come to this place, that's this particular menu, add new record. I'm going to click on that. The new record I'm going to be adding will be primary school. Since this school I'm using doesn't have a primary school, I'm going to make use of primary school, so it will be easier and you'll be able to understand it. Let's click on it. Click on submit. Once I'm done creating a class category, I'm going to go to class management. Class management is where you have from your GSS1 to SS3, like some school call it, or from basic 7 to SS3, like some school call it. So I'm going to go here, click on add new record. So you see there, you select the class you want. So I'm going to make use of primary 1. I'm going to choose my class category as primary school. I'm going to click on submit. Yes, you can see what I created is here. Let me arrange it serially. You can see it's number 7, primary 1, primary school, the date created, the date updated, and everything. If you want to edit the particular section, you can just come here, click on edit. See it, what you did, primary 1, primary school. If you're done and you've cross-checked everything and you're okay with it, you can just click outside or you click on submit. Since what I'm done and I'm okay with it, I'm going to click outside. So that is all for this particular section under classes. So the next one I'm going to go to after class management is class arms. Class arms is basically dividing your classes into subsection. Like if there is JSS1, there will be JSS1A, JSS1B. If there is JSS2, there will be JSS2A, JSS2B, and so on and so forth. So the class arm I'm going to be using for the particular class I created will be C. Click on that. I'm going to choose primary 1. Primary 1. Click on that. Submit. I'm going to arrange it serially so you can see the class, the arm I just updated. So this is it. You can see it. Number 14. This is the arm C. The class is primary 1, the date created, and the date updated. And if I want to edit this particular section I just created, I'm just going to go here, click on edit. You can see it, the class arm, the class, then the school ID. This school ID is the number the school onboarded with. That's the number that was given to school when they onboarded with us. That is why you can see here that the school ID is 14. So once I'm done with everything and I've seen that what I did, it's good, I'm going to click on submit, or I click outside. I'm just going to click outside. So that is all for class arm for this particular section. So the next one I am going to go to be passing rule for classes. I'm just going to click on passing rule for classes. So basically, passing rule for classes means the minimum and the maximum score a child is meant to get before he or she can be promoted to the next class. So if you want to add a new passing rule for a class, so I'm going to add a new passing rule for the class I created. So what I'm just going to go to is click on add new record. Select my class. I'm going to make use of primary 1. The promotion score should be 50. Compulsory subjects to pass should be maths or English. So the pass mark I'm going to make use of will be 50, and the minimum subject to offer will be 10. Minimum subject to pass should be 9. Then I should select. So selected mathematics, selected. For English, let me select English. So the week pass minimum score, let me make use of 50. The week pass maximum score, let me make use of 50. And then just change here to 40. Yes. Should I allow week pass? No, I'm going to allow that. Total subject divisible, 10. Mean, I'm going to make use, we have different, you can make use of mean or mode. I'm going to be making use of mean to calculate my score, that is to calculate the student's score when their result is being uploaded to the school portal. So my grading depends on which one the school wants, if it's position or percentage. I'm going to make use of percentage. So the template I'm going to be using is this, because this is the school I'm currently using their portal for my demo. Let's click on submit. Let me do it serially so you can see the school I just did, the class I just did rather. So this is it, the primary 1, promotion score 50, pass mark 50, subject offer 10, subject pass 9, mathematics, English, week pass 40, week pass minimum 40, week pass maximum 50, allow week pass no. So that is all for classes. I've taken you through the step of class management, class category management, class arm, and the passing rule for classes. I hope you guys understood it. I hope to see you next time for more. Thank you very much, and bye.